So let's know ki what is actually my Codes program.
So the Codes program is basically an internship and mentorship program. Basically, the applications firstly are given for the online coding test, and once you clear the coding test, you get two types of emails. So the first one is कि you're directly selected for the mentorship program. So the students who are directly selected for the mentorship program, they don't become a part of the hiring process for internship. तो अब वो mentorship program है, which is a 2 months program, तो वो अलग चलेगा. So and the other kids are कि जिन girls को intern के लिए offer आता है, so they are not directly selected for internship, उनको further rounds का email आता है, which basically means कि now they can sit for further rounds for interview for the internship. So if you get selected as an intern in Microsoft, so you will not be a part of the mentorship program. तुम Microsoft के साथ intern कर रहे होगे, which is really good. So मेरे कॉलेज से तो एक लड़की की intern लगी थी through Codes program.
Hi everyone. So today we have Soumya with us, and she is a Microsoft Codes, and she's going to tell us everything about the Codes program. Hi Soumya.
Hello Khushbu, hi guys. I'm Soumya Singh and I'm currently a third year student in NSIT pursuing electronics and communication.
Okay. So Soumya, the first question is like कि कौन-कौन Microsoft Codes का part बन सकता है? किस-किस के लिए like हम कोई भी apply कर सकता है क्या?
So basically Microsoft Codes is only restricted to some colleges. So Microsoft ने जिन colleges को register कर रखा है as a part of the Codes program, वो उन्हीं को invites भेजता है. So all colleges cannot apply. So your training and placement cell, the training and placement cell of your college would be knowing कि if the girls of that college would be a part of Codes program or not. तो बेस्ड ऑन दैट पीएनपी सिर्फ उन्हीं कॉलेजेस में गर्ल्स को इनवाइट्स भेजता है जिसको जो कॉलेजेस रजिस्टर्ड होते हैं माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के साथ. तो आई थिंक एनएसआईटी, डीटीयू, आईजीटीयू एंड all IITs and NITs, they surely get an application, and I think there must be more colleges also, so just look out for those applications.
Okay, so I guess कि like if someone is curious कि उनका college register है या नहीं, so उनको अपने training and placement cell से एक बार बात कर लेनी चाहिए, like contact करके कि है ना कि अगर Microsoft उन्हें approach करती है या नहीं, so वो clear ही हो जाएगा.
Exactly.
क्योंकि आई गेस मैंने जैसा गूगल पे सर्च करके देखा तो मुझे कहीं भी ऐसे एग्जैक्ट लिस्ट नहीं मिल पाई जिसके कारण वी कांट से एनीथिंग श्योरली यू नो सो दैट कैन बी द बेस्ट ऑप्शन. Okay, great.
And if you want your college to get registered in the Codes program, maybe you can ask your training and placement cell to contact Microsoft directly to get it registered.
So let's know ki what is actually my Codes program.
So the Codes program is basically an internship and mentorship program. So basically the applications firstly are given for the online coding test, and once you clear the coding test, you get two types of emails. So the first one is कि you're directly selected for the mentorship program. So the students who are directly selected for the mentorship program, they don't become a part of the hiring process for internship. तो अब वो mentorship program है, which is a 2 months program, तो वो अलग चलेगा. So and the other kids are कि जिन गर्ल्स को intern के लिए offer आता है, so they are not directly selected for internship, उनको further rounds का email आता है, which basically means कि now they can sit for further rounds for interview for the internship. So if you get selected as an intern in Microsoft, so you will not be a part of the mentorship program, तुम Microsoft के साथ intern कर रहे होगे, which is really good. So मेरे कॉलेज से तो एक लड़की की intern लगी थी through Codes program, and बाकी I think there were 1 or 2 more जिनको intern नहीं मिली थी. So if you get an email to sit for internship interviews and you don't get selected as an intern, you automatically become a part of the mentorship program. And the girls जिनको शुरू में mentorship program पे email आया, they are already part of it. So basically there were about 6 to 7 girls from my college जो mentorship program का part थे, and one girl got an intern in Microsoft.
Okay, that's great. So you were the part of mentorship program, yeah?
Yeah.
So okay, tell me that what are all the things that Microsoft provide, like what are all the perks and what are all the like resources and mentorship, like how would they guide you?
I think the mentorship program was really great. Like it was a 2 month program, and usme they used to hold webinars for us. Usme
Mhm.
they taught us about machine learning and artificial intelligence, and they used to give us assignments. कि उसकी deadline होती थी कि एक हफ्ते में submit करना है, which was based on कि उन्होंने webinar में क्या सिखाया and तुमने क्या research करा उसके बारे में. So basically, it was like that. So I think the webinars were really informative, and they were also like they started it from scratch. So you don't have to have a knowledge about machine learning pehle se hi in order to attend those webinars and take away something from it. They started from scratch. So अगर तुम्हारा कुछ पहले से तुमने पढ़ा नहीं है machine learning का तो भी तुम कर सकते हो basically web.
Okay. Okay. So, so like, what is the timeline? Like, when does Microsoft actually approach you, and what is the timeline for the interviews and preparation and all that stuff?
Acha. So I think the applications opened around 24th February. I think
Mhm.
it was end of February chal raha tha. It was the last week of Feb, and they opened around 24th, 25th of February, and there was a time span of I think about 1 week कि तुम
Mhm.
application fill कर सकते हो. So I don't think much was required in the application, just your CV. So basically, they selected you on the basis of your CV and the
Okay.
online test. So I think having a good GPA and having some good tech skills and maybe a few projects, because in your second year you're not expected to have very good projects because of your second year में enter करो.
Mhm.
So but still some decent projects based on WebD or something, I think they would just give you an upper hand.
Yeah.
So
So basically, अगर आपको mentorship program का part बनना है, so आपको DSA में hold अच्छी करनी चाहिए वो.
yeah, and I think इतनी भी कुछ hard and fast concepts नहीं पूछे जाते उसमें competitive programming के.
Mhm.
It was just basic DSA. So searching, sorting, and graphs वगैरह की theory. So you just
हाँ.
need to know the basics really well. You don't have to be into competitive programming की graph के बहुत सारे algorithms आ रहे हैं तुम्हें. Basic algorithms like Prim's algorithm and Dijkstra, everything. You should be thorough with that. जो basics होते हैं. And you should be really thorough with that because वो debugging questions भी होते हैं उसमें, and like there are a lot of questions which will test your actual knowledge.
Yeah.
So I think great basics would help you crack it.
Okay. So like after we have like gotten into the mentorship program maybe. So what are the things like you feel कि हम like हमें जो करनी चाहिए like to take the best use out of the program, because there will be some mistakes you have done, there will be some mistakes your
Yeah,
friends have done.
exactly.
So you can tell us the best things like कि ये जरूर चीजें करनी चाहिए and इनको avoid करना चाहिए, like maybe deadlines पे थोड़ा ध्यान देना चाहिए and all that.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so what happens is, what I've seen is कि her company, they always try to keep a database of all the employees and of all the people who are applying in that company. And I think
Yeah.
same goes for the mentorship program because उसमें you will be assigned mentors and they regularly give a feedback of what you're doing and what you've done over the week. So weekly वो एक meet रखेंगे and they'll ask you कि इसमें तुम्हारी टीम ने क्या किया, तुमने क्या किया. So I think what all companies do is वो तुम्हारा हमेशा एक database maintain करके रखती है so that when you apply as an intern or as a full-time applicant, then वो उस database को जरूर check करती है. So one thing which you need to make sure is कि तुम सारी meets अपनी mentor के साथ regularly attend कर रहे हो and you should be thorough with कि तुमने week में क्या करा. So don't show yourself as कि तुमने पूरा week ऐसे निकाल दिया, तुमने project में help नहीं करी है and ये सब.
Yeah.
So just be thorough with that. Just make sure that you are taking charge of the project. You are acting like a leader in that project. So that would just make your feedback look really nice. So on the part of the mentor, there's is like every year थोड़ा ना pattern change हो जाता है Coders program का. Last year कुछ और होगा. हमारे time पे obviously थोड़ा सा कुछ और था because हमें on-site hackathon वगैरह के लिए कुछ नहीं बुलाया था. Because they usually call us to their Hyderabad office. लेकिन
Okay.
इस साल क्योंकि कोविड की वजह से हमें
हाँ, हाँ.
बुलाया नहीं था. So I think उनके ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम में भी I think they must have introduced some changes. So हमारा जो हुआ था उसमें वेबिनार्स थे. I don't know about last year वेबिनार्स जैसे कंडक्ट हुए नहीं थे तो मुझे पता नहीं, बट इस साल वेबिनार्स हुए थे. So I think you should attend those webinars regularly because उन्हीं पे बेस पे हमें असाइनमेंट सबमिट करना होता है. And that assignment would really look better if जो तुमने webinar से सीखा है, if you're trying to inculcate that in your answers. So it would really look nice and it would make your answers look nice. So उससे थोड़ा रहता है कि you are regular and you're listening to what they're saying. So assignments regularly within the deadline submit करो. I think I also missed my assignments, so don't do that. अपने assignments regularly submit करो. And I think इस बार तो recording भी हुई थी जो webinars हुए थे. So even if you miss a webinar, you can just go back and उसकी recording तुम देख सकते हो. So I think submit your assignments on time and just make sure कि mentor के पास तुम्हारा जो feedback जा रहा है, that is the best you could have given. So just work throughout the week and just give the max you can.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so there's a question like, so after I have completed my mentorship program, is there any chance like they will again call me for the interview, or I can get into the Microsoft internship through that? Maybe my feedback is good, so
So like if your feedback is really good, जैसे तो तुम्हें interview के लिए बैठने देंगे. But if Microsoft visits your campus, so तुम्हें एक free interview मिलेगा for internship. So
okay.
तुम उसमें तो you don't have to give the DSA round. Plus, if your feedback is really good, so I really don't know whether it depends on feedback or what, because they didn't give us the bifurcation of on how they are assessing. Because in this program, they told us that this CODIS program is nowhere related to what you will be asked in the interview. So, but I heard कि कुछ CODIS applicants से interview में भी उनके CODIS program के बारे में पूछा गया था. So just don't think कि even if they saying कि ये चीज matter नहीं करेगी interview में, don't take it that way. हर चीज matter करेगी. So just give your best in everything. So कुछ applicants को I saw कि direct mail आया था Microsoft से कि you're directly selected as an intern. So not it wasn't a placement, it was an internship. So तुम directly internship का offer आया था. बाकी सब you have to sit through the interviews. So I don't know what bifurcation is direct interview के लिए. Directly getting selected for an internship, not an interview. Interview तो देना ही पड़ता है. So I don't know कि what the bifurcation is for being directly selected as an intern. But I think हर phase में हर जहाँ पे भी तुम अपना अच्छा कर सकते हो, I think just give your best, whether it's in front of your mentor, whether it's in the form of your assignments, anything, just अपना उसमें 100% दो. So I think it would just increase your chances.
Okay, that's great. That's a great advice, Soumya. Thanks a lot for like taking out time and giving us all the advices and telling us about the CODIS program. And I hope you and all the best for your upcoming interviews, and I hope you ace them.
Thanks a lot.
बता दो
अच्छा अच्छा मैंने काफी कुछ लिख रखा है. कितना टाइम फ्रेम बोलूं क्या, मुझे नहीं पता कितना टाइम देना चाहिए. अच्छा अभी बोल दूं अभी. अच्छा तो अभी बोलना शुरू कर. वैसे मेरा कोई अपकमिंग इंटरव्यू नहीं है, तर्ज में दोबारा नहीं झेलना चाहती. और